Here are the steps for how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu. First, download Chrome using Firefox. Save the package. Now open the Downloads folder. You can see the installation package is in here. Now right-click on it, choose the software install. Now it is being extracted. Now click the button to install it. Type in the super user account's password. Okay, it's done. Now we can open the applications window. Search for Chrome or Google, then we can see the application there. Open it and accept all the default settings. Chrome's here. We can also lock it to the launcher so that we can easily access it later. Close it. Now we can open it from the launcher. Cool. Thank you for watching.